Hey everyone, Matt here from Herbal House, and you're in the market for a turnkey grow kit that delivers massive yields at a cost-effective price. Well, you're going to want to check out the HPS Starter Grow Kit. It includes everything you need to start growing, featuring premium quality gear and of course a 5-year warranty. So you can focus on your plants without any interruptions, plus enjoy the convenience of free delivery. With all of the Herbal House Grow Kits, this HPS Starter allows you to fully customize it to suit your needs, offering 4 premium tent options, which is the Eclipse Blackout series. Now these grow tents are built to a really high standard and are capable of dealing with all of your growing requirements, offering 4 sizes to really dial it in to suit your grow space or even the limitations of the room it's going into. We also have a full set of fans for you to pick from, ranging from 100mm right through to 150mm in size. Of course, the larger the fan, the more the airflow. But we do have 2 premium brand options available. The Imperial option, which is a great and reliable fan, but we have something a little more sophisticated, which is the AC Infinity systems. These systems include a full controller and temperature set point, allowing you to manage the grow space remotely and even fully automate it to suit your needs. Not to forget that any of those fan packages you select will include a Imperial carbon filter, helping to remove those odors and keep this grow kit running as odor-free as possible, no matter where you install it. Powering up that HPS grow kit would have to be the 4 Seasons digital dimmable ballast. Now this is going to give you complete control over the output of your bulb, allowing you to select 250 watts, 400 watts, 600 watts, and even super lumens. Now we do include 2 bulbs with this package, a 600 watt HPS and a 600 watt MH. The HPS I've got just behind me is going to give you that nice golden glow, perfect for fruiting and flowering, whereas the metal halide is going to be perfect for that vegetative growth, keeping your plants short and stocky and ready for a really good flowering run. The bulbs are housed in an adjustable wing reflector, which can easily be modified to really narrow or spread the lighting across your grow space. And to really make this kit a full turnkey package, we include a full set of accessories to really help you get up and running. The plants can be housed straight into the 19-litre fabric pots, which is a really nice way for your plants to grow. We include a hydrothermo for helping to monitor the climate within the grow space, and of course a full litre of Veg and Bloom Goliath feed, which again, that is there to feed your plants, keep them more than satisfied and help really squeeze out the potential. Last but not least is a timer, which allows you to completely manage the grow cycle and keep the light running as it should. So kickstart your indoor growing journey with the Herbal House HPS Starter Kit, the ultimate bundle of premium essentials designed to turn even first-time growers into pros. This kit includes everything you need to cultivate a thriving indoor garden, from high-quality lights to top-notch nutrients, all carefully curated to ensure the success from day one. We're so confident in the performance of these kits that we proudly back them with a 5-year warranty. Start growing with confidence, knowing that Herbal House has your back every step of the way. If you have any questions at all or would like to customize this kit further, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm Matt, thanks for watching.